Hello everyone, my name is Irdina Afiqah binti Sabri F22B0078 and I will be present the best diet for a rabbit. So for your information, there are two types of rabbits and since I will be present about the farm animals, so the rabbit that I will refer to is the meat rabbit, which is had bigger body size, not a pet rabbit or a bunny that have much smaller physical size. Acknowledge the meat rabbit digestive system. The rabbit digestive tract greatly resembles that of a horse. Both are hindgut fermenters, meaning that they have an organ called cecum that functions much like the rumen of a cow, but instead of being at the beginning of the digestive tract, it is at the end of the digestive tract. So the rabbit has a longer large intestine than the other animals as it needs more time to absorb water or digested molecules into the blood after they have been digested into the cecum. The diagram of the meat rabbit digestive system and the equine digestive system. Equine or we call as horse. So basically the digestive system tract will be from mouth to the esophagus and then will be processed in stomach, which then go to the small intestine and lastly will be end at the large intestine. For information, we human, swine and chicken also have a simple stomach like rabbits and equines, which is also known as monogastric digestive system. This means rabbit also did not have ruminant's digestive system as they have a simple single chambered stomach. Okay. This means that those fluffy creatures, the rabbit, is a plant eater with one simple stomach, unlike a cow. Okay, a simple small intestine which contain the duodenum and jejunum, and the large hindgut which contain the cecum and colon, containing the bacteria that help to digest the food. Okay, and then is how does a rabbit's digestive system actually work? Okay, firstly, the grass or hay is well chewed from the before swallowing, and then after traveling through the upper digestive tract, it goes to the lower digestive tract first to organ called the colon and cecum. Okay, and then the colon of the rabbit is unique in the way it efficiently separates the digestive food into two parts. Okay, a part that can be digested and used, and then the other indigestible part that can't be used by the rabbit for nutrients. The digestible part is sent to the cecum where it's mixed up with healthy digestive bacteria which contain lots of microbes to break down the tough fiber in their diet. Okay, we already know how the digestive system of a rabbit works. Let's move to the best diet for meat rabbit. What should we know about the rabbit's diet? How many times do actually a rabbit need to eat a day? How to feed a rabbit that was specially grown for their meats? What is a proper food that can be eaten by rabbits and why is that so? And why do rabbits have a habit of eating their own poo? Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, how many times do rabbits need to eat per day? For information, rabbits generally eat more at night than during the day as they are crepuscular with nocturnal leanings. Why? It is because night restrict feeding improves locomotor activity, rhythm, and modulates nutrient utilization to accelerate growth in rabbit. Thus, weanling meat-type rabbits will eat about 4 to 6 ounces of food per day depending on their size. So, how actually to feed a rabbit? The rabbit are true herbivore. Rabbits are monogastric hindgut fermenters, as I mentioned before, and require a high fiber diet, which is between 14 to 20%. Basically, a meat rabbit's diet should consist of rabbit pellets and free choice hay. They treat like grass, weeds, and any kind of, not any kinds. Some kinds of herbs are healthy addition for the diet. Here come the main reason for this video presentation. The best diet for a rabbit. Okay, actually a good rabbit diet should be made up of a good quality pellets, fresh hay, water, and fresh vegetables. Anything beyond this is called as treat and should be given in limited quantities. So here is illustration of the food portion for a rabbit to maintain their healthy body. Okay. So we start with the smaller portion, which is treats. Okay, treats should be taken about 0 to 5% only. Treats should be only be fed occasionally as a special rewards, such as being in a good behavior. Okay, and then the rabbit food or pellets should be given about 5% only and need to be fed carefully measured. Okay, you cannot give it suka hati. Okay, twice per day. Okay, pellets must be fresh and relatively high in fiber, which suggested to be given between 20% till 25% minimum crude fiber. Okay, and then comes the leafy green, or we call as vegetables, that can be given about 10% from the daily diet. You can offer a variety of pesticide-free vegetables, as it can add more variety and more tasty fiber to the rabbit. Rabbit will love it. Okay. Last but not least, the fresh hay. Not hair rambut, hay. Okay, this is the main dishes for every rabbit. Rabbit should have unlimited access, unlimited hay all the time, and need to be fed to a rabbit body size portion every day. Okay, next, here is the do's and don'ts for a rabbit treats. Okay, as you can see in the picture, there. Okay. There's an apple, a carrot, iceberg lettuce, muesli mix, yogurt drops, bananas, and pineapples. Why this food is unhealthy for rabbits as a treat? Okay, this is because an apple, a carrot, and yogurt drops contains a very high in sugar. Okay, and then for the iceberg lettuce, it don't have any nutritional value, and then it is a waste to give our rabbit a treat of muesli mix, as it is rabbit only eat the bits they like. Okay, so therefore, if you want to treat your rabbit, try to give them the basil, rosemary, thyme, mint, etc., etc. Okay, and then okay, so here is the best of the best rabbit pellet for the meat rabbit, which is the Purina Complete Rabbit Feed and then the Purina Fiber Tree Rabbit Feed. Okay, why? Because they they fulfill all the perfect diet for a rabbit to grow healthy and producing high quality meat, which is carbohydrate, vitamin and minerals, for immune function, strong bones and teeth, vegetable oils, fiber, fresh wholesome ingredient, and also protein. Okay, we are here to discuss about their odd behavior, which is eating their own poo. Okay, actually, rabbit have to eat their own poo to stay healthy. Why? Why? The first time food goes through the digestive tract, not all the nutrients are absorbed. So rabbits need to eat their poo to send it through the gut for a second time to allow the nutrition to be extracted and used maximally in the body. Okay. The psychotrops are full of nutrients that a rabbit needs. Okay, and then these special feces contain much more protein and vitamins than the normal poops have. So by consuming the psychotrop and a healthy diet, a rabbit is getting all the important nutrients and it needs to stay healthy. Okay, for what is psychotrop? Psychotrop is partially digested food that are passes by mammals in the order Lagomorpha, and then re-ingested. Okay, as I mentioned before, rabbit need to eat their own poo because the first time the food go through the digestive tract, not all the nutrients are absorbed. So it needs to be sent there again for the second time. Okay. And then, okay, that's all from me. Thank you.